Hey vlog, it's been a little while, but I am currently about to make a steak, so I'm really excited. I haven't made a steak in a while, but this is what I'm gonna make, and I'm pretty sure it's thawed out, and it's a ribeye steak, so let's see how this goes. I'm just gonna cook it in butter and like hope for the best. I don't know. I have to hold it because obviously. And then, okay, so I'm probably gonna cook it for like 2 to 5 minutes. Last time I did like 2 minutes and it was very, very like rare, and I like it a little more on the cooked side. So I'm gonna do it for like 4 to 5 minutes so that way it cooks thoroughly, and then the fat caps first so that cooks off kind of. But yeah, I'm eating a carrot, but this is my finished product. It's a little bit overcooked, but I'm really excited and it smells so good. I feel like I'm gonna spill it all over me, but I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then I'll eat it. But I'm drinking kombucha too. I'm excited, and I'm eating it with some carrots, just raw carrots on the side. And that is my dinner today. Okay, so I'm currently laying on my floor, but I just wanted to share my little Greek yogurt protein shake that I make like every single day for lunch, in addition to another like something else. So my lunch and then this, and it's literally just mixed berries with Greek yogurt and almond milk, and it tastes like a creamy ice cream. So good. I don't measure anything. I just do a couple of dollops of everything, and I put it in here and I put it in the blender, and obviously I don't blend it that well, but it is so good. Also, I got an espresso machine, guys, and I'm so excited to show you guys how it works and stuff. I'm gonna have to do a little video on that, but I hope you guys are enjoying like clips of me during the week and over the course of the week, because this is like clips all put together of what I do. But yeah, I'll probably show the espresso machine next. Now I'm gonna put it in the machine. This is kind of hard to do with one hand. Alright, so last day of this vlog, I want to do some intentional like planning, because how you spend your days is how you spend your weeks, and that's how you spend your life. So planning out your days and making sure you're doing a lot of things in your days, or maybe not a lot of things, but like productive things, intentional things instead of scrolling, is very important. And I try to do that as best as I can. But yeah, I want to get into the groove again. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll probably make another one.